All right, man, just to give you an update on what's going on. Had it lined up, boom. Had the camshafts on there, right here. Issue was, I had 0 clearances on cylinder 2 and 4. Those were the valves that were burnt up. Come to find out, the timing was off by 1 tooth. And let me go ahead and get this together. I'll show y'all what that's looking like. But yeah, even with 1 tooth, it was off. For the sake of others out there that's doing the timing on the 06 GSX-R 600, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what that's looking like. All right, as you can see, the timing mark right there is lined up with the notch. That lets you know you're in proper timing. One thing to consider is the 12 pins that go from here to here. Look at the positioning of where the links are. So it'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The 12 lines up with the 3. And as you install these sprockets, I noticed that the marking for the exhaust is on the outside, the same for the intake, and the lobes will be facing inside. When you do this, you got to make sure before installing the caps, before you continue and install these joints, you got to make sure you zip tie these things down. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. All right, here we go. Once you got that zip tied, after you reinstall the CCT, you're gonna plug this in. You'll hear it click a couple times. You can actually see what it's doing. It's tightening up the chain. Since it's spring loaded, take your time. Keep in mind these are numbered. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyways, I rotated it. Boom, got the cam lobes facing out. I gotta check cylinder 3. One of the clearances on them was a little too tight, 0.13 mm. You want to go ahead and have the exhaust between 0.18 all the way up to 0.28 or 0.30, one or the other.